Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll be discussing about an update on income tax slabs and calculations for the financial year 25-26. Income tax in India is charged on an individual's earnings with rates varying based on income levels. The tax system is divided into slabs, where different portions of income are taxed on different rates. For the financial year 25-26, these taxes are updated and the taxpayers can reduce their tax liability through exemptions, deductions and rebates. Understanding these slabs helps determine how much tax you need to pay. It's important to stay informed about new tax rates and make calculations based on your total income and eligible deductions. Income tax updates under new tax regime. Now let us understand what are the new updates in the income tax under new tax regime. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in her Union Budget 2025 speech announced a significant tax relief for taxpayers. She stated that individuals earning up to 12 lakhs per year would not have to pay any income tax. This is a major step towards reducing the tax burden, especially for the middle class. She also highlighted that the new tax regime has been simplified to make it easier for taxpayers to understand and benefit from. In addition to this, Sitharaman mentioned that income tax slabs and rates have been revised to create a more progressive taxation system. This means that the higher earners will contribute more, while middle class individuals get better tax benefits. Under the revised tax systems, when the standard deduction is included, the total tax-free income limit increases to 12.7 lakhs. Moreover, individuals with incomes up to 25 lakhs per year will get a tax benefit up to 1.1 lakhs, making it clear for them to manage their financial commitments. However, there is an important condition attached to these tax benefits. To fully avail the tax exemptions, taxpayers must claim relief under specific sections of the Income Tax Act. For instance, individuals must reutilize 1.5 lakh exemptions under the Section 80 CCC, which includes investments in certain savings and pension schemes, and an additional 1.5 exemption for home loan interest payments. This means that while the new tax rules offer significant relief, taxpayers need to strategically use available deductions to maximize their benefits. Income tax updates under old tax regime. Now let us discuss about the updates on income tax under old tax regime. The government has not made any changes to the income tax slabs under old tax regime. This means the tax rates and exemptions limits remain the same as before. However, these slabs vary depending upon taxpayers' age. General taxpayers, senior citizens 60 years and above, and super senior citizens 80 years and above have different exemptions limits, ensuring that older individuals get more tax benefit or relief compared to the young taxpayers. One of the biggest difference between old tax regime and new tax regime is availability of deductions and exemptions. The old tax regime allows taxpayers to reduce their taxable income by claiming deductions like ATC, ATD, HRA and other deductions. On the other hand, the new tax regime offers lower tax rates but not provide most of these deductions and exemptions. This means while the new tax regime simplifies tax calculation, it may not be best option for those who rely on deductions to save money. Because of these differences, taxpayers need to carefully analyze their income, deductions and total tax liability before choosing between these two regimes. If someone has significant tax saving investments and expenses, they might benefit more from the old tax regime. However, if they prefer low tax rates with fewer complications, the new tax regime could be a better choice. Making an informed decision can help the taxpayers reduce their overall tax burden effectively. Deductions available under old tax regime. Now let us see what are the deductions available under old tax regime. Section 80C, up to 1.5 lakhs of investments in PPF, ELSS and LIC etc. Section 80D, up to 25 for health insurance and which could be 50,000 for senior citizens. Section 80 TTA, up to 10,000 deductions on interest from savings accounts. Section 80 CCD 1B, additional rupees 50,000 deduction on NPS contributions. Exemptions on HRA, that is house rent allowance, and LTA, that is leave trail allowance. Under the old tax regime, individuals with taxable income up to 5 lakhs qualify for tax rebate under Section 87A, ensuring zero tax liability. So friends, these are the deductions available under old tax regime. Now let's get into the main topic, that is income tax slabs under old tax and new tax regimes. Income tax slab rates for financial year 25-26 under new tax regime. Income rates between 0 to 4 lakhs, the tax rate is nil. 4 lakhs to 8 lakhs, it is 5%. 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs, it's 10%. 12 lakhs to 16 lakhs, it's 15%. 16 lakhs to 20 lakhs, it's 20%. 20 lakhs to 24 lakhs it's 25%, and above 24 lakhs it is 35%. So these are the tax slab rates for the financial year 25-26 under new tax regime. Income tax slab rates for the financial year 25-26 under old tax regime. Income tax slabs and tax rate. Up to 2,50,000 0%, 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs 5%, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs 20%, and above 10 lakhs it is 30%. Income tax slab rates for the financial 25-26 above 60 years, below 80 years. Income tax slabs and tax rate. Up to 3 lakhs nil, 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs 5%, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs 20%, above 10 lakhs it is 30%. Income tax slab rates for the financial year 25-26 for super senior citizens 80 years and above. Income tax slab rates and tax rates. Up to 5 lakhs nil, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs 20%, and above 10 lakhs it is 30%. So friends, hope you understood the new tax slabs and tax rates for the financial 25-26 under new tax regime and old tax regime. So friends, this is the update which has been produced by the Financial Minister for the financial year 25-26. So friends, if you have any questions or queries related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer your queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.